Umalingaw-ngaw ang mga gong sa Melvin Jones Grandstand noong linggo, February 15. Ito ay sa pagtatanghal ng Rhythm of the Highlands, isang cultural dance competition na parte ng ika-30 pagdiriwang ng Panagbenga Flower Festival. Dito 25 grupo ang nagpamalas ng kanilang mga sayaw. Isa na rito ang grupong Gasat Sindapay mula sa bayan ng La Trinidad, Benguet. Tampok sa kanilang performance ang masaganang ani ng mga taga-Mountain Province.
For us to represent our culture and our group, and para po i-celebrate po yung cultures and yung mga spirits po ng mga ninuno namin.
Para po mahikayat sila at ma-preserve po yung culture.
Layo ng patimpalak na pagyamanin ang mayamang kultura ng Cordillera. Namangha naman dito ang mga turista gaya ni Wayne na mula California.
It's very entertaining and very wholesome. Just a good vibe watching. Just a sense of family and where you came from and your roots. It's always good to remember, like, your family and ancestry, of how you started, to what it became, to what people may have.
Importante po ito kasi para hindi mawala po yung presence pa rin ng kultura, dapat ipakita po rin natin. Parang hindi siya mawala po.
Because one of the purposes of Panagbenga is we are doing it as a means to present to the world our culture and heritage that cannot be seen in other parts of our country, only in the Cordilleras, which form part of our cultural identity.
Siyempre dun sa street dancing natin, we want to focus more on yung forward movement ng ating mga street dancers, including yung yung indigenous movements natin. That's why prior to the launching ng ating Panagbenga nung January 14, if you recall, nagkaroon ng training yung mga teachers natin and yung mga choreographers.
Hinirang na kampiyon ang Kayaw Di Umili Ensemble habang nakakuha naman ng Outstanding Merit ang Iyaman Cultural Group. Meritorious recognition naman ang nasungkit ng Ugayam Cultural Dancers. John Nicer, RNG News.